Hello students, today we will discuss solution of July test. So first question, the set X is such that X belongs to R minus 2 less than X less than equal to 7 can be written as minus 2, 7, semi-open, semi-closed interval. Next question, which of the following is true? So clearly fourth option is true option. Third question, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, then number of elements in PA is equal to number of elements in power set of A is equal to 2 raised to the power n, that is 2 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 8. So this option is right. Next question, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then A intersection B is equal to 6, 7. Next question, which of the following is true? So according to De Morgan's law, this option is true. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Sixth question, tabular form of set X is such that X is a letter in mathematics is, this is right option, MATHEICS. Next question, the nth term of the sequence minus 2, 6, minus 18, 54 is, because this is GP and first term of GP is minus 2 and common ratio is minus 3 raised to the power n minus 1. So this is right option. Next question, the sum of first n odd positive integers which is given by formula n square. So n square is right answer for this question. Ninth question, the arithmetic mean between m and 50 is 45, then m is m plus 50 divided by 2 is equal to 45. So solve this. M plus 50 is equal to 90, that is m is equal to 40. So 40 is right option. The set of all even prime numbers is, because 2 is only even prime, so this is a singleton set. Next question, if x and y are two sets such that nx is equal to 33, ny is equal to 42, and n of x union y is equal to 70, then n of x intersection y is, according to formula, n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Using this formula, we get n of x intersection y is equal to 5. Twelve question. If x greater than equal to 0, y less than equal to 0 represents fourth quadrant, because in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative, so that's why fourth quadrant is right option. Which inequality is represented by the following graph? So it is clearly seen that y is less than 2. Solution set of the inequality 3x minus 3 less than 5x minus 5 is, so solve this, we get 3x minus 9 is less than 5x minus 25. Now minus 2x is less than minus 16, that is x is greater than 8, so A to infinity is right option. Next question. Solution set of the inequality 3 is greater than equal to x, that is x is less than equal to 3, that is minus infinity to 3 is right option. The third term of a GP is 2. The product of first 5 terms of this progression is, because third term of the GP is 2, that is AR square is equal to 2. Now the product of first 5 terms of this progression. First 5 terms are AR square, AR cube and AR raised to the power 4, that is A square multiply by R raised to the power 10, that is AR square power 5, that is 2 raised to the power 5, which is equal to 32. So 32 is right option. Next question. 70. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on n minus 1 square using summation n square and replace n by n minus 1. n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now put n is equal to n minus 1. So we get summation n minus 1 square is equal to n minus 1, 2n minus 1 divided by 6. Next question. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on n minus 1. This is AP series with n minus 2 terms, because 1 and n is missing, so total number of terms is n minus 2. So according to sum of series of arithmetic progression, sum is equal to n by 2. n by 2 means n minus 2 by 2, first term plus last term. First term means 2 and last term means n minus 1. Now solve this. We get This is right option. N plus 1, n minus 2 divided by 2, that is C option is right. Next question, which of the following is true? So clearly fourth option is right, because every set is a subset of itself, so null set is also subset of null set. So fourth is right option. Next question. The GM of roots of the equation is, first of all, for roots of this equation, by middle splitting, x square minus 5x minus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. From this equation we get x is equal to 5 and 5, 2 root. Now geometric mean is equal to under root of 5 and 5, so we get 5. So 5 is right option. Next question. If summation n is equal to 3, then summation n square is. Now by default take n is equal to 2. Now summation n, that is n plus 1 divided by 2, that is, now put n is equal to 2 in this equation, we get three. That is summation n is equal to 3. Now summation n square, which is equal to n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now put n is equal to 2 in this equation, we get summation n square is equal to 5. You can easily solve this. Next question. Solution set of the inequation given by minus 11 less than equal to 4x minus 3 less than equal to 13. Now solve this inequation. First of all, add 3, 4x less than equal to 13 plus 3, we get minus 8 less than equal to 4x less than equal to 16. Now divide by 4, we get minus 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 8, that is 4. So interval for this inequality is minus 2 to 4, closed interval. Next question number 23. In a group of 50 people, 35 speak Hindi, 25 speak both English and Hindi, and all people speak at least one of the two languages. The number of people who speak only English but not Hindi are. Now in a group of 50 people, that is total number of people is 50, that is n of H union E is equal to 50, and 35 speak Hindi, that is n of H is equal to 35, and 25 speak both English and Hindi. And 25 speak both English and Hindi, so n of E intersection H is equal to 25 the number of people who speak only English but not Hindi. That is number of E minus H English but not Hindi, which is equal to N of H union E minus N of H. Now N of H union E is equal to 50 and N of H is equal to 35. So we get 15. So 15 is the right option. Next question number 24. If A1 and A2 are two AMs between 20 and 80, then A1 plus A2 is equal to. Now let A1 and A2 be 2 means between 20 and 80. Now 80 is equal to, because 80 is fourth term, is equal to A plus N minus 1 D, and N is equal to 4, that is 3D 80. Solve this. We get 3D is equal to 16, that is D is equal to 20. So sequence becomes 20 and common difference is equal to 20. So A1 is 40, next term is 60, next term is 80. So A1 plus A2 is equal to 40 plus 60, that is 100. Next question. Which term of the sequence 2 under root 2 4 is 128? This is very simple question of GP series. First term is A, which is equal to 2, and common ratio is equal to R, which is equal to under root 2. 128 is equal to A R raised to the power n minus 1. 128 is equal to 2 under root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Now solve this equation. We get n is equal to 13. So this is right option. Now question number 26. The sum of n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1, that is first term is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is equal to 6, second term is 11, third term is 16, fourth term is 21, and so on. Now for sum of n term, that is sum of n terms, which is equal to Sn, is given by n by 2. A means 6, 2A plus n minus 1 D, and D is equal to 5. It is equal to n by 2, 12 plus n minus 5, which is equal to 1 by 2, 5n square plus 7n. That is, this option is right option. Now next question. Question number 27. Solution set of the inequality 20x less than equal to 90. Now divide by 20 on both sides. We get x is less than equal to 9 by 2. That is, x is less than equal to 4, 1 by 2. Now if x n is the set of natural numbers and x belongs to n, so x takes values 1, 2, 3 and 4. So last option is right option. Question number 28. A person has 2 parents, 4 grandparents, 8 great-grandparents and so on. Find the number of his ancestors during the 6 generations preceding his own. First, this is a GP, 2, 4, 8 up to so on. We have to find S of 6. A is equal to 2 and common ratio is also equal to 2. Now according to formula, A 1 minus r raised to the power 6 divided by 1 minus r. One second. For S6, A means 1, 2 raised to the power 6 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Now solve this, we get 126, that is 126 is right option. Next question, if 3 plus x, x minus 3 and minus 2x plus 12 are in AP, then value of x is, because these 3 terms are in AP, so difference of 2 consecutive is same, minus 3 minus x, that is difference of these first 2 terms is equal to difference of last 2 terms, that is minus 2x plus 12 minus x plus 3. Now solve this, we get minus 3x is equal to minus 21, that is x is equal to 7. So P option is right option. Now question number 30, that is last question. Solution set of the inequality x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1 is x by 3 greater than, take LCM of this side, we get x plus 2. Now solve this, we get minus x is greater than 6, that is x is less than minus 6, that is interval for this is minus infinity to minus 6. This is very simple question. You easily solve this question. Hope you all understand about